So really keeping up with conversational AI or even AI generally when it comes to applications within healthcare, there's some very sensible, logical things or areas where we can dig in for information. And in terms of like basic even publications, there are some excellent magazines out there. Like I believe there's one called the Health Tech magazine that does cover the latest and greatest on the applications of tech in healthcare. There is also, if you want to learn more about the business applications of health tech, then Forbes Health is an interesting resource. There are also a number of key professional organizations that you do want to track either through your social media feeds. There is HIMSS, and HIMSS is basically the short for the Healthcare Information and Management Systems Society. And these guys, along with the American Medical Informatics Association, both of them do cover certain aspects of applications of AI extensively as part of their programming for their organizations. When we kind of take, when you do want to get, for example, more knowledge on the forefront, attending conferences is a great place to do, or rather to attend. So, for example, the AI in Healthcare Summit that is held annually is an interesting area to kind of see what's new in the way of technology applications. There's also the HIMSS Global Summit that is held every year, I believe. So the combination of both of them should at least give some sense as to who the new players are and what work's being done by existing players in the industry. MIT's Technology Review does cover not just the applications of AI in healthcare, but other interdisciplinary areas as well. So that is an area which we would recommend as well. Another great way to kind of learn more about the field is by actually engaging in R&D in the field itself as well. And again, this is something that is subject to the availability of budgets. We understand that. So working across different stakeholders, in sort of the overall healthcare ecosystem and understanding what the various considerations are, what the different ethical as well as operational as well as practice-driven motivations are. All of these factors come into play when we do R&D and we try to prototype for the industry itself. There is also Google Scholar will make it easier for identifying areas of specific intervention when it comes to where AI is really making a difference in the healthcare practice space. And then finally there's IEEE Explore, which is an excellent portal as well. Admittedly, some of these portals are paid in nature. So if one is willing to go ahead and make an investment to access these portals, it's well worth the price.